Hi there, Kira here with a Citrus Twist unboxing kit. So this is for the month of February, and I'm so excited about this kit, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Let's start with the paper, and we'll work on the embellishments. All right, so new collections. So this is from Maggie Holmes' new collection, Flourish, which is gorgeous. So this paper is called Memorable, and it's got a bunch of cut aparts on the side, which I just am loving these colors here. And then on the reverse side, it has like this paint by numbers right there. This one is the Citrus Twist exclusive, and I am loving this. So it's like a yellow, I don't know, circle grid. I don't know how to describe that, but it's super pretty. And the reverse side's really pretty too, but I'm thinking this for a background because I think you could do a really cool circular pattern around that and would look really neat. So this one's called Lattice Work. From the Good Vibes collection, this one's called Passion. I really like this reverse side here. I think that's pretty. This paper is my favorite paper from the Good Vibes collection, and this one's called All Good. I just love these little birds and the flowers, and I just think it's a really pretty paper. And the reverse side is like a craft polka dot. Let's do that side. Also from the Good Vibes collection, got the geometric patterns on both sides, and this one's called Hashtag. I like that one better. From the Flourish collection, this one's called Always. It's got these little tickets on this side, which would be really fun to fussy cut out, or if you just want to go for a wood grain on the back. I'm digging the tickets. And then from Flourish as well, got this yellow pattern here, and then some purple roses on the back. And I am not a purple fan, but I am really liking this paper. I think it's really pretty. I think these would be really cool to fussy cut out or to use as a background. I just think it'd be gorgeous. But this one's called Poetic, if you're interested. And then you always get your 2 pieces of white textured American Crafts cardstock. So those are the papers included in the kit this month. Just slide those underneath. Now for the embellishments. So you get a page from like an old music book this month, which I think is awesome. I love that. So that'll be fun to use for layering. As always, you get a cut apart sheet, and these are really cute this month. I love these little tags. Cute. All right, so that's your cut apart sheet. Exclusive Citrus Twist stamp. I love the circles. I think these are really fun to create patterns with, but you also have some phrases on here too that you can layer up to create some titles or something. A gold glitter alpha. I love that there's 2 sizes. I think that's really fun. The Flourish stickers. So there's 4 sheets of stickers here. You get some phrases, some tags. On the reverse side, some white phrases and white tags. Gold alphas, tiny alphas. And then a little bit of larger alphas, which come in black, and then this is like a rose gold down here. So that's awesome. This little kit here comes with it. So you won't necessarily get the same pieces that I have here, but you'll get something similar with these little charms. You get a couple charms from the Good Vibes collection, some cute little heart paper clips, some buttons, and then some thread, which you guys know I'm into hand stitching, so that'll be perfect to use. So I can't wait to see what the other members of the team come up with that too. And then you get the ephemera pack from Flourish, which has 40 pieces in it. Some of them are vellum, so you can see that this bird right on top is vellum, and that's vellum down there. So I love that because I love a little bit of extra texture. I'm not going to open these up, but I'm going to just hold them up so you can kind of see all the pieces that are included in there. I love that. All right, so that's the main scrapbooking kit. I also have, oh, and what's not included that hasn't shown up yet that will be in your kit, and we'll end up getting it later, we just haven't got ours yet, is the Let Your Heart Decide leatherette stickers. So those will be included in this as well. But like I said, I just haven't received mine yet, but it'll definitely be in your kit. So I also got the embellishment kit. So the embellishment kit, you get the Flourish stickers. These are just the cardstock stickers. So you get cardstock stickers and the Flourish puffy stickers, which they're almost, I don't know, they're like more textured than, like you can see the texture in the lemon there. Those are really neat. So you get those, and then you also get, that's not shown here, that I haven't gotten them yet, but you also get the Pink Fresh Studio, the mix epoxy stickers. That'll be included in the embellishment kit if you get that. So I also got the exclusive Traveler's Notebook stamp. So this is what the stamp looks like, and I think this is really fun. It's got the AM, PMs, the dates here, the days of the week, AM, PM routine, some little lines and numbers, so you can add lines to your numbers and make a list or whatever, but that'll be really fun to play with. So I'm going to set this aside so we can look at the Pocket Life kit that I got as well. Alright, Pocket Life kit. I haven't even looked at this yet, so really excited. Alright, so the paper that you get, this is a 6x8 paper from the Flourish collection. You won't necessarily get these exact sheets. It'll be a mix from the paper pads, but these are the sheets that I got. Oh my god, those are gorgeous. All those florals in that, so pretty. 4x6 cards. Oh, that pattern again, I love that. Cute. You also get a cut apart sheet included in the Pocket Life kit. Really cute. The stamp that's included in the Pocket Life kit. I really like these little lines about this photo, snapshot. Those are really cute. These alphas, which I know everyone really liked, the puffy sticker alphas that we'd gotten before in this size, and they're back with the size and font. And I love these, and the color is amazing. The exclusive puffy stickers, which, oh, it's got like the puffy stickers, like the tags. Those are cute. Oh, I love those. So cute. And you notice it's like, because we're in February, so it's kind of got a lovey theme, but not overly themey. That's one of the things I love about Citrus Twist kits, is that they're not super overtly themey. Like, you don't see a bunch of heart paper and things like that, but there's definitely pieces in here that if you're doing a page about your Valentine's Day that you could include for Valentine's Day. I love these magenta phrase stickers. These are really cute. Some exclusive ephemera, lots of florals and tags, phrases. I love the circular phrases, are really cute. Some journaling spots on here, which are awesome. So those are great. And then we'll just jump right into our cards. I love you, end of story. Some stripes there. This is calling my heart. This is a sign you've been waiting for. Small steps every day. Little yellow scallops. Oh, these are cute. Some leaves. Love the tickets. Finding calm in the chaos. Read this. Blank is a form of happiness. Needed this. Oh, some little conversation hearts. See, so there's like that Valentine's-y theme, but it's not everywhere. That's great. Night out. Here. Little cup of coffee or tea. And better than yesterday. So that is the Pocket Life kit and the embellishment kit and the main kit. And yeah, I'm really excited to get in and start playing, and I hope you guys are excited to get your kits as well. If you don't know, the Pocket Life kit has been selling out every single month for the past few months. So if you haven't jumped on subscribing to this, do it now. You do not want to miss out on these kits because they're so amazing. All right, that's all I'm going to say about that, and you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.